Good morning, people. Today I have two breaking news to tell you. The first one is the increase in the oil prices in global markets, and the second one is the government has printed over $600 billion in just few months. So yeah, let's see how this is going to affect our economy. Okay, so it's happening. As the oil prices are rising, that means more demand is there, and also the government is printing more money. That means the people will have a lot of money, and obviously they are going to spend it, so the product prices are going to rise, and I think that is going to lead to a high inflation. Inflation is like a double-edged sword. If you use it properly, it will defend you, or it can also kill you. So as being a smart investor, I made a plan. First of all, I picked some commodity stocks like oil companies because oil prices were skyrocketing. I also picked the companies that have good pricing power because if inflation increases, then these companies can easily increase their product prices and it will also not affect their revenues. And I also invested in the REITs. This is also called as Real Estate Investment Trust. These are the companies which invest in commercial properties, and after they get the rent from the property, they pay us back in the form of dividends. And I stayed away from the high debt companies because as government is going to increase the interest rates because of high inflation, so this type of companies are going to suffer a lot. Then I invested in the other countries, so I will be diversified. I also told my mom to buy some gold, not jewelry, but in a digital form, because gold works best as a defensive investment. And I also think that I was a bit lucky because I bought a house last year and now the government is going to increase the interest rates on loan. And finally, the best investment I do is upskilling myself because this is a one time investment and the returns are infinite. So, this was my investment in high inflation period, and I know this is not the best investment, but this works for me.